Welcome, here I've got ONEPLUS NORD CE 5G and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and now we have to slide a little bit to general category. Here we can find shot on ONEPLUS watermark, so let's pick it, and here we are. We can add 3 types of watermarks to our picture. Standard watermark and timestamp we can add by tapping on these 2 buttons from the right. As you can see, when they are turned on, we can see them also in short preview. So from the left we have shot on ONEPLUS powered by triple camera, and from the right we have timestamp, and the name watermark is available only when we turn on the standard watermark, so remember about it. And now we can turn it on here and add, for example, our name. Now let me write here HardReset, and it also appears here in preview in the second line, so let's keep it like that. Let me go back to camera now to take a photo to see these watermarks at the real picture. Now let's move to the right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my picture with watermarks. In the left corner at the bottom we have this shot on OnePlus device watermark with HardReset, the custom one, and from the right we have timestamp. And of course, when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to camera, right corner settings, slide down to general, tap on shot on OnePlus watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.